Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one thing about me is that I love wearing different outfits and matching those outfits with my purses, which is the reason why I got this very special bag by Nine West. There are so many characteristics that make this bag very special for me, and I would like to mention them to you. So the first one is the fact that it is black. Black can be used with so many outfits, with so many other colors. And that is one thing that makes this bag very versatile and useful for me. Something else that I love is that it is not just a plain purse. As you can see, it has a design. We have several figures, we have triangles as well as squares. And another characteristic that is very important and very useful about this bag is the fact that it has plenty of space inside. So I can fit my sunglasses, I can fit my keys, my wallet, and there's still so much more space left. And as you can see, this bag has several details like this silver chain, and I just believe it is an amazing bag. It's beautiful, it's big, and it matches several outfits. And that is my point of view.